Most women think the reason they don't look good in photos is because of their body, their height, or their face. It's not. It's body language. I've taught thousands of women how to pose, and the difference between an awkward photo and a confident one usually comes down to small adjustments. Where you place your weight, what your hands are doing, and how you interact with the environment. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 simple tricks that help women look good in pictures every single time. Whether you're standing, sitting, walking, or being photographed in public, I'll show you real examples, explain why each pose works, what it communicates, and how you can apply it instantly. Once you understand this, posing tips stop feeling awkward and starts feeling natural. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 tricks to always look good in pictures. Hi, my name is MR.DASANTE. I'm an award-winning fashion content creator who models for fashion brands and teaches men and women how to pose for photos. In today's video, I'm with the lovely Liana. She'll be the model in this video and I'll be using her as an example. So stay tuned. Trick number 1, give your hands a job. One of the biggest mistakes women make in photos is letting their arms hang with no purpose. The camera reads that as tension. In this example, the woman is using the environment as a prop. One hand in the hair, one hand holding the bag, body leaning slightly into the structure. Nothing is random. Why this works? When the hands are busy, the body relaxes. Relaxed bodies photograph better. What this pose communicates is ease and confidence. How women can recreate this anywhere is you can either touch your hair, you can touch your collar, hold your bag, hold your jacket, or lean against something solid. Never, and I repeat, never leave your hands doing nothing. Trick number 2, sit tall, not small. A lot of women shrink when they sit in photos. They round their shoulders, they collapse into themselves. In this image, notice upright posture, soft leg cross, open chest, and relaxed shoulders. Why this works? The camera reads posture before body shape. You don't look bigger by sitting, you look smaller by collapsing. What this pose communicates is elegance, confidence, and self-respect. So, how women should sit for photos: sit tall, shift weight slightly forward, keep shoulders open, you're allowed to take up space. If you like videos like this, feel free to check out my posing guide, link is in the description, to take your photos to the next level. Also feel free to subscribe to my newsletter for daily and weekly updates. Trick number 3, walk instead of pose. Some of the best photos of women happen when they stop posing altogether. This is a walking shot. She's not facing the camera, she's not forcing a smile, she's mid-movement. Why this works? Movement removes stiffness. It creates natural angles without even trying. What this pose communicates is confidence, main character energy, and independence. How a woman can do this is walk past the camera, not towards it, look slightly away, keep steps slow and steady. Think less photo shoot, more caught in a moment. Trick number 4, create shape with asymmetry. Symmetry is one of the biggest posing mistakes women make. Standing straight with both arms down flattens the body. In this image, weight is on one leg, one arm is raised, the body forms a soft curve. Why this works? The camera loves curves and contrast. What this pose communicates is natural energy, feminine energy, and confidence. How women should pose while standing is shift one weight towards their hip, bend one arm, relax the opposite side. Never mirror both sides of your body. Trick number 5, engage with the environment, not the camera. The strongest photos of women don't look posed, they look lived in. Here she's interacting with the scene instead of performing for the camera. Why this works? When a woman stops trying to look good, she actually looks good. What this pose communicates is authenticity, comfort, and confidence. How women can apply this is to look at their surroundings, engage with people or objects, forget the camera exists. The camera should feel like she's observing, not demanding. If there's one thing I want the ladies to know regarding this video is that to get the best photo is not about perfect angles, it's about powerful body language. Give your hands purpose, sit tall, and move naturally. Create asymmetry and engage with the environment. And most importantly, stop trying to look perfect. If this video helped, feel free to check out my other videos. I have videos posing tips for women, posing tips if you don't look like a model. I also have posing tips for men, weddings, etc. You name it. Always remember, it's already a no if you don't try. Stay blessed. But before you go, I'm going to give you a summary of the 5 poses that you can try to always look good in photos. Stay blessed.